Here I've got BUSH SPIRA B3 and let me show you how to invert colors on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Then you have to scroll down, find and pick accessibility, it's right here. And then under accessibility you have to locate and click on color inversion right here. If you tap on the switcher, the colors will be inverted automatically, and as you can see, whole device colors are inverted, so you can notice the change everywhere. And then if you'd like to go back to the default setup, just open the settings one more time, pick accessibility, go to the color inversion and then turn it off. And that would be all. As you can see, now we are back in the default setup and you can use your device with the proper colors. So that would be all. So you can invert colors in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.